Here we go. Like I said, I drive a real car. And yet, here I am on Autopia. I love this thing. And yes, I am driving it one-handed. And yes, I am at full speed. Woo! Lisa's missing out. She's gone back to the hotel. She's missing out. Driving. I'm doing this for Ollie. Oh, that engine just proper kicked in. It's nice and quiet until then. I'm trying to keep this camera as steady as possible. But this car be bouncy. Discoveryland, baby. I love it. I think we've got a 220 mile an hour speed limit. Oh. Woo. Red light. Woo. Oh, no. My engine's cut out. Okay. Yeah, I'm still going strong. It's a great little ride this, though. It does take up a lot of space that could be taken up by a new coaster, a new dark ride, you know. If they ever need to expand outside of the expansion pod that they've got, well, here we are. I think we're pretty much at the end now, but still a lot of fun. Yep. Slow it down. I've been stopped. I've actually been stopped. There seems to be some kind of caution system in play here. Oh, I think they might start us back up remotely again. Oh, look, I'm going. Again. Oh, here I go again.
Attention Autopia drivers, you are approaching the unload area. Prepare to stop. Do not bump the car ahead. Once you have reached the unload area,
veillez
à ne pas tamponner la voiture se trouvant devant. Lorsque vous aurez atteint l'aire de débarquement, restez assis jusqu'à ce que la voiture se trouvant derrière vous soit garée.
attention Autopia drivers, you are approaching the unload area. Prepare to stop. Do not bump the car ahead. Once you have reached the unload area, please remain seated until the car behind you is parked.
So weird.
Noi ce l'abbiamo nera. Noi ce l'abbiamo grigia. Viola? Viola.
Subscribe to Real Review UK.